Imagine this. You wake up one morning and realize you're debt-free, your bills are paid, and you've got money invested that's growing while you sleep. No anxiety about the next paycheck, no fear of an emergency expense. Sounds like the dream, right? But here's the truth. That dream can be your reality if you learn how to plan your finances for the future. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through a proven roadmap, one that millions of Americans wish they had followed earlier, so you don't just survive financially, you thrive. Here's the thing. In the U.S., the average household carries over $100,000 in debt, and nearly 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. It's not because people don't make money. It's because most don't plan what to do with it. So if you've ever asked yourself, how do I secure my financial future? How do I save enough? How do I invest without losing it all? Stay with me. In the next 15 minutes, I'll break this down into 10 clear steps, from building a budget all the way to retirement planning. And trust me, by the end, you'll see money in a way you've never seen it before. First, you need a snapshot of your financial life. Write down your income, your monthly expenses, your debts, credit cards, car loans, student loans, mortgages, your savings and investments. This is your starting line. You can't reach financial freedom without knowing where you're standing today. Think of it like using GPS. You need your current location before you get directions. Next, ask yourself, what am I working toward? Short-term goals: pay off credit card debt, build a $5,000 emergency fund. Mid-term goals: save for a house, a new car, or maybe launching a side business. Long-term goals: retirement, kids' college, financial independence. Write them down. Americans who write their financial goals are 42% more likely to actually achieve them. Life happens. The car breaks down. You get laid off. Medical bills show up. That's why you need an emergency fund. At least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a safe, liquid account like a high-yield savings account. Why? Because without this safety net, you'll turn to credit cards or loans. And that's a financial trap most Americans never escape. Now let's talk about debt. In America, the average credit card APR is over 20%. If you're only paying the minimum, you'll never get out. 2 methods work best. Debt snowball. Pay off the smallest debt first, then roll that payment into the next. It's motivating. Debt avalanche. Pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first. It's the fastest and cheapest. Choose whichever keeps you consistent. Remember, every dollar you pay toward debt is a guaranteed return, better than almost any investment. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. The 50/30/20 rule is a simple starting point. 50% of your income needs: housing, food, bills. 30% wants: travel, entertainment, hobbies. 20% savings and investments. Use tools like Mint, Enab, or even a simple spreadsheet to track. The key is not perfection, it's awareness. Because money you don't track is money you lose. Here's the truth. You can't save your way to wealth. You have to invest. Start with retirement accounts. 401k, especially if your employer matches contributions. That's free money. Roth IRA or traditional IRA, tax-advantaged accounts that grow your wealth. For beginners, low-cost index funds and ETFs are your best friend. They spread risk, grow over time, and beat most professional investors. Remember, it's not timing the market, it's time in the market. Insurance isn't exciting, but it's essential. In the U.S., medical bills are the #1 cause of bankruptcy. Health insurance protects against massive bills. Life insurance protects your family. Disability insurance protects your income if you can't work. Think of insurance as a financial seatbelt. You hope you never need it, but when life crashes, you'll be glad you had it. Planning ahead means no nasty surprises. Whether it's buying a home, having kids, sending them to college, or retiring comfortably, taxes in the U.S. can feel overwhelming. But here's the secret. Wealthy people don't avoid taxes, they plan for them. Use retirement accounts, tax credits, and deductions. If your income grows, talk to a tax advisor. And don't forget estate planning. A simple will ensures your family is taken care of, and a trust can protect bigger assets. The earlier you plan, the less stressful it is. Even saving a small amount monthly builds up massively over years. Taxes in the U.S. can feel overwhelming. But here's the secret. Wealthy people don't avoid taxes, they plan for them. Use retirement accounts, tax credits, and deductions. If your income grows, talk to a tax advisor. And don't forget estate planning. A simple will ensures your family is taken care of, and a trust can protect bigger assets. Your financial plan isn't set in stone. Review it every year. Did your income go up? Expenses change? Goals shift? Adjust as life changes. Think of it as a financial checkup, just like your yearly doctor's visit. It keeps everything on track. So here's the bottom line. Planning your finances isn't about being rich tomorrow. It's about creating security, freedom, and peace of mind for the rest of your life. Most Americans never take control of their money. They let money control them. But you're different. You've just learned the roadmap. Now it's your turn to take action. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today.